Hello to our new training video. Today I want to show you how to implement the image scheme into LASAL Screen. With an image scheme, you have the possibility to switch through some images depending on the server state. Therefore, I have created the HMI and the LSE project. In the HMI project, I have inserted the myHMI class with the server image scheme. This server has the properties visualize true and write protected false. I have updated this class in the LASAL Screen and placed the server image scheme as a num edit. For the image scheme, I will switch through two images, an arrow to the right and an arrow to the left. Is the server image scheme 0, the image with the arrow to the left should be shown. If I write 1 to it, the arrow to the right should be shown. To create the image scheme, you go to the project tree to Schemes and do a double click on Image Schemes. Create a new folder with the button Add New Folder. Call it My Image Scheme. Add a new image scheme with the white paper sheet. Call it Image Scheme. Create a new item with the button Add New Item. For operator you set equal, for value 0, and for image you choose the arrow to the right. This will guide you to the Import Images window. In there, you select the white paper sheet to select an image. Go to the location of your images. Select the first image. Set the transparency with transparency set. Go with the pipette to the pink color. Confirm this window with OK. Add a new line. Set operator to equal, value to 1, and as image we select the second one. Again, add new image. Select the image and set the transparency to the pink color. Click on OK and confirm this window with the button OK. To place the image scheme on the screen, you do a right-click, Place Data. Select the server image scheme. For component type, you choose Image Scheme. So this brings up a new line on the right side. Here you choose for scheme your image scheme with the arrow down. Press the button Place. Then you can place the arrow on the screen. To test the project, you have to download everything to the control. At first, the server image scheme has the value 0 and the arrow goes to the left side. This is the first image. Set the server to 1 and you will see that the arrow gets to the right side. This is the second image.